Yeah. You thought I was gone? We back now. Fuck who ain't ride with me. What's up now? Let's get it. Fuck who ain't riding, I'ma say it off the rip. Upstate moving, niggas start to feel the shit. Surviving all the summers, they done cursed us with the gift. They killed them on the 4th, the shooter dead by the 5th. Who gon' go and get it now? When you gotta sit it down, waiting on your visit, they ain't come, it's been a minute now. Wrote this on a napkin, I am free, I can spit it now. Dreaming all this money, I'm off the papers, I can get it now. Push-ups on the floor, keep your foot up on the door. Niggas cut you when you on the phone and rob you for your store. Now you waiting for the drop, keep your eyes up on the cop. Homie plotting, you only look that's really banging in the spot. They was selling grand bags, niggas get your mans back. Ice up in my veins, freezing up and get your mans tag. Living war ready, fear been done had your man flag. Strap across my chest like a nigga wearing man bag. Niggas get the fishing, I was really on the missions. The bullets get the dissing on the fleches, they was kissing. Then I kept my distance, then I switched it to a vision. Moving with precision, bitches stay up on my business. Blue always told me, when the comments come, the drama come. Playing wrong and Owen break the shit to get your mama done. Boy, was something serious when you had the motor timers run. Always had heart, living strong cause I'm a mama's son. Grinding up, lining up, pushing till his time is up. Showing love and putting homies on for a minor cut. Texas told mentally, discipline essentially. Be the realest nigga on the block is what it's meant to be. These ducking bitch fucking shooting for a legacy. Mash it out and grind it till you get a quarter century. Niggas sipping lean and they always want beef. It's easy to get a nigga when a nigga has sleep. Whole case drop, cause a nigga wouldn't tell. Whole team gone, cause a nigga went to jail. Whole fam broke, cause they couldn't pay the bill. Whole life crazy, cause a nigga caught a sale. 1 and 3 hitting, got me sitting cause of Clinton. Mass incarceration, lack of patience, it was missing. Gotta go get it, cause your baby by my bitch. And now you're back against the wall, cause the fears got the fishing, huh? Yeah. Y'all thought it was over. Oh, definitely finna turn it up now. Bitch nigga.